So yeah, so this is the post you have made, right? Like, what I want you to do is that start making. How to say this? Like, 1 second. Start making grids. So for today, you just make only 9 grids, and I'll make one post, and I'll tell you how to go on about it. And I hope like you know how to make this in to say Figma, or else you can use your Canva or whatever tool you're comfortable with. But at the end, I need all those nine. This thing. That's it. Dun. So yeah, and so the content you have chosen, five things digital marketers should do. Okay, let's see what one. yeah, pretty much I think so you can make something similar like this. So what I would suggest is that keep it very, very simple. No extra things. It should be like you should have made it in 30 seconds or 1 minute. So don't complicate anything. And yeah, also you can add some content, I guess. Like so here you can put Grajan's mobile number, which might be. And one more thing, for numbers, see, when it comes to text, when you break it like this, it means that they have to read this number one, two, three, 4 times. So don't break anything. Just keep it simple so that it goes with the flow, and it is very easy. If you break it, it means that you are breaking their concentration. So we don't want anything such that. So the more flowy it is and the more smooth it is, the more attractive your design is. So if you are breaking something into two or something, neither it has to. Uh, there should be need to break it. Don't break it just for the sake of breaking it, or it would come as reading it right, or don't make it easy for them. It should be like a movie where you are engrossed into the feeling, but don't give them anything to break it. It should go like that hard way, which like you should determine the highs and lows. So when it comes to design, yeah, you can break it. So here, actually, I would suggest it going all the way like this, but the reason I am breaking it small, and keep everything in 2 lines, no, not more than 2 lines. Nothing is not more. If it is copywriting, it has to be 2 lines, nothing more than that. If it is more than 2 lines, try to break it into points or make it something like the uh, what to say infographics which I have made. So yeah, this is the tool which is there in the market. Don't solely depend on it. If you It gives good designs, but yeah, if you feel there needs to be a change, you can change it. And I have made it to just to make you understand how the design flows. Here you can keep the colors in the same way, or you can change it. It's up to you. But yeah, end of the day, I need something like this in the all nine this thing grids. So when it comes, this is what I would observe. So it's not that necessary you will have to follow all the designs you have made, but I need one set for the next one. Within today, you try to make something and show me how it is done. I'll do some design changes if it's required. But yeah, I hope you have got like what I am trying to tell. Like heading and subheading, you can put it here. You can take this as a template and work on it. So something like that. Yeah, if you need inspiration, use Pinterest. I hope you already know it. But what is my requirement is that you should have mostly followed this visual design. Like, mm, So yeah, something similar to this. Okay, if you open it in your Meta app. So here you can see, right, like you'll read this first, then this, then this. So the bigger the font size is, so this is visual hierarchy. I want you to maintain it very perfectly. Even if it is like nothing is there, just the logo, just the text. And if the text makes an impact, it is fine for me. Don't overcomplicate, like design has to be good or etc. If there is a requirement to make the design good also. So this is similar to what I made. So yeah. And the color code, yeah, this is the color code. Just put it over here. Hmm. And yeah, use only black theme, so nothing other than that.
Duit பார்த்தனா கது கூட்டு போ நான் கேட்டு ஆ
So yeah, this will actually impact, like you'll know where to read that. That's a very slightest trick which you can follow if you don't know where to lead your readers. So the brighter it is, the more the psychologically or somewhere the other way you'll get attracted. It might not be visible, but still you will have that something in the center. So this is how you can attract. So if you want it to be here, bring it here. So clip content to actually cut this extra thing off. Put it inside the frame. Here you can see, right, like this is how the gradients are made. So yeah, pretty much I think I have talked about shadows, how to manage your content and how to like derive and how to position etc. So if it is similar on the similar lines, it's more than enough for me. Again, I'm repeating, don't waste time on bringing design good. Just stick to the branding of whatever it is. Like I don't want anything to be, how to say, you might feel that the design is good, but yeah, if you feel something design is good and all, you just have a second opinion to me. And yeah, at the end of the day, whatever you design, it's the final call. It might not resonate with me. So though if someone says that your design is not good, it just means that it doesn't resonate with them. So you just take them through a journey so they'll understand. It's not required to prove yourself every time. So yeah, one post is ready for you. And yeah, you'll have to change this if you wanted to. If not, it's fine for me. Because yeah, adding some colors will work. And yeah, so first this is a formal design of ours. So if you want to add some Gen Z designs also, just give it as Gen Z element and keep adding. The more layer it has, it's you keep adding to it, the more greater it will look. But don't waste time on this. Like, if you are like in a mood to design very good, or if you have got free time, do it. Or else just keep it very formal and easy to. If it is very easy to design, it is very easy to read. If it is very easy to read, you are communicating with the audience. I hope you got it. So the font and all, like Alaska variable, you'll get these things in the internet. I'm not using anything extra, like no separate font for me. So yeah, to give you an outline, it would something be like this. Can see, right? So yeah, I pretty much wasted 1 week on this. So because I wanted to design it like, how to say, I was experimenting my design. So at last I came to a conclusion, like first start with very formal normal design for now, and then slowly you can start adding and you can waste pretty much more time. Yeah, good.